we have conducted this FDP successfully. Sir, I will give you briefly about the details of the FDP. We have conducted total 15 sessions during this FDP, and we have nearly 10 speakers from IIT, NIT, and Triple IT, and reputed engineering colleges of the India, 3 speakers from abroad, and 2 speakers from industry. So we have started with kinematics, robot arm kinematics. We have 2 sessions on kinematics by Dr. Selva Kumar from VIT Chennai. Then we have 1 session on robot dynamics, that is by Professor Ashish Datta from IIT Kanpur, and 1 more session by Professor Ashish Datta on biped locomotion and trajectory planning. Then we have 1 session on control aspects of robot manipulator by Professor Ashish Singla from Thapar University. Then a lecture on visual control of robotic system by Professor Lakshmidhar Behra from IIT Kanpur. We have a session on multi-robotics system by Dr. Ranjit from Triple IT Pune. Then we have a lecture on medical or surgical robots by Satvinder Saini from Toronto, Canada. And 1 lecture on this entrepreneurial opportunities in robotics. 1 startup leader, Dr. Rajesh Kannan from Chennai. He delivered a talk on entrepreneurial opportunities in robotics in India. Then we have a lecture on sensors and actuators in robotics by Dr. R.S. Daya from University of Glasgow. After that, we have a lecture by Dr. Bhushan Boritkar. He is also from France lab, but recently he joined that Symbiosis Medical Center at Pune. And then we have a session on MATLAB-based control of robotic systems by Professor J.K. Rai from MIT University, and microcontroller-based programming by Mr. Sajal Babu. Today we have 2 sessions. Last day, 1 by Professor Lakshmidhar Behra from IIT Kanpur, that is consciousness-driven stress management, and the second session is on AI in robotics by Dr. Rahul Kala from Triple IT Allahabad. After that, we have conducted a quiz, sir, and now we have starting this valedictory session. So I would request our honorable director, sir, to please address the participants. 1 more thing before inviting director, sir, I would say that we have also gone for the live streaming of all the sessions of this FDP on YouTube and Facebook for wider participation, sir. And we have also invited our Applied Mechanics Society students for attending this workshop as per the instructions of AICT. We will not give them separate certificates, but we will give them certificates through Applied Mechanics Society, sir, with your kind permission, sir. Now I would request our director, sir, to please address the participants, sir.
Right. Thank you, Tiwari ji. Head of the department, Dr. Ramesh Pandey, coordinator of this Atal FDP, Professor Ravi Prakash Tiwari, all the other distinguished faculty colleagues who have joined on this online mode of this valedictory session, distinguished resource persons, and all my dear participants. First of all, I congratulate the Department of Applied Mechanics and especially Professor R.P. Tiwari for organizing this Atal FDP on robotics. As you might have come across, the different aspects of robotics technologies, it's a kind of real multidisciplinary, where you should have the expertise of mechanical engineering, you should have the expertise of electronics engineering in terms of control and in terms of movement, and you should also have the expertise of many other disciplines. And this is basically a focus of our new education policy also, to promote more and more multidisciplinary programs. And as a part of robotic engineering, this is a very good example of multidisciplinary program. Now, as far as the robotics is concerned, we all know that it is getting more and more applications, especially in the area of medical sciences, in the area of surgery, because over the period of past 2 decades, there are only two uh, major technologies which have made revolution in the world. One is in the area of communication, and another is in the area of medical sciences, specifically surgery. And all these advancements are attributed, particularly in the area of surgery, is attributed to the advancement of the technologies like laser, like robotics, like artificial intelligence. All those applications are there. So today we cannot say in isolation that I am expert of this without knowing the uh, other allied disciplines or other allied control things. I am confident that with the kind of renowned speakers, resource persons which have interacted with you people, all the participants, they must have created an interest, because one of the very important aspect of such kind of program is because you cannot teach everything in 1 week's time. But yes, the objective is achieved if the way in which the different topics related to robotics they have been presented to you in has created interest in you. So one of the objective of this is to create an interest in the areas, to create an interest in subject or the topics which have been exposed to you during the I'm confident that you must have had interactive sessions with the speakers, and if you have developed interest, the very basic objective of this FDP is successful. Now you can move ahead depending upon your interest, wherever you have developed the interest. But again, I am just putting a word of caution that you cannot think about becoming the expert or specialized in isolation. Say, for example, if somebody has delivered the lecture on kinematics or in electronics, in control, and you say that this is the area where I have developed the interest, I am going to work on this. But at the same time, you need to know the surroundings of that particular subject, then only you will be able to enjoy this. So with these words, I am confident that interactive sessions, academic interactive sessions must have been enjoyable, and you all must have gained from attaining this 5 days FDP in the area of robotics. And this, uh, due to this pandemic situation, we could not welcome you physically in our campus. So I extend my invitation in future, whenever you are uh, permitted to visit the campus, you are welcome to visit the campus, see the facilities available in the campus. You must have developed the good networking of the participants. Uh, Continue with that networking, have academic discussions on that, and take forward the area of your interest. This is the negative aspect. Positive aspect of this kind of pandemic situation is that you have been able, means maximum number of participants have been able to join this FDP, as well as coordinators could very easily get the resource persons, also distinguished resource persons from different organizations. If it would have been in the physical mode, probably it would have been difficult to get them here in the campus, though it would have been good if physical presence of both the participants as well as the speakers would have been here. So anyway, we have to live with it, and I must congratulate the department and the coordinator of this FDP, Professor Tiwari, for very nicely organizing this event under the umbrella of Department of Applied Mechanics and the leadership of Dr. Ramesh Pandey. Once again, I thank all the participants on behalf of the institution and on my personal behalf who have joined this FDP and enjoyed. Thank you all the best, good luck, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Now I welcome our head of department, Dr. Ramesh Pandey ji, to propose vote of thanks and to bless the participants. Dr. Ramesh Pandey, sir, head department of Applied Mechanics, please.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Good afternoon and warm welcome to all of you on this online gathering for a valedictory session of Atal sponsored faculty development program on robotics. I feel privileged to offer vote of thanks on behalf of myself as well as on behalf of my department as head of the Department of Applied Mechanics. I express my heartiest thanks and warm welcome to our chief guest, Professor Rajiv Tripathi sir, Director of MNIT Allahabad Prayagraj, for accepting our invitation and honoring us today by sparing his valuable time from his very busy schedule. He is very busy in DASA admission, undergraduate admission at present. JOSA, thank you, sir. I express my sincere thanks to our distinguished resource persons of this FDP, Professor Ravindra Daya from UK, Professor Satvinder Saini from Canada, Engineer Amit Kumar Pandey from France, Professor Ashish Datta and L. Behra from IIT Kanpur, Professor Arokia Selva Kumar from VIT Chennai, Professor Ranjit R. Nair from IIT Pune, Professor Bhushan from Pune, Professor Rahul Kala from IIT Allahabad, Professor Ashish Singla from Thapar University, Professor Rajesh Kannan Megalingam from Amrita University, and Professor J.K. Rai from MIT University for their marvelous efforts and delivery of lectures in a very smooth, appealing, attractive, and spellbound manner, which would have been certainly realized by our participants of this course and organizers of the course. I would like to thank PG and research scholars of our department, Dr. Engineer Sajal Kumar Babu Degla, Engineer Jitendra Mehta, Engineer Vipin Kumar, Sanskriti, Vaibhav, and many more who worked throughout the day and night in the supervision of Dr. Abhishek Kumar Tiwari and Professor Ravi Prakash Tiwari. I express my sincere thanks to all the persons associated with this FDP, directly or indirectly, and extend my apology simultaneously for not incorporating or missing their names. In the last but not least, I express my heartiest thanks to course coordinator Professor Ravi Prakash Tiwari for bringing laurels to department and institute by organizing nicely this Atal sponsored FDP on robotics. The course was designed very diligently and meticulously by him to enrich the knowledge spectrum of all the participants. Thank you, sir. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you, sir. Thank you all. I would like to thank our Honorable Director, sir, again. Thanks for your time, sir. Thanks for your valuable time. Thank you, sir.
Sir, pranam, sir.
Thank you very much for providing me this opportunity to interact with your, not interact, one-way communication with your participants and all other distinguished people gathered on this online mode. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
So can I leave now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Now we will start the final feedback session. Sajal, please post that link for the feedback.
Yes, sir. Just I am posting it right now. Just 8 minutes.
सर मैं भी लीव कर सकता हूँ क्लास है 4 बजे से.
हाँ, thank you, Dr. Pandey.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yes, sir. I had posted it in WhatsApp group, sir.
Please submit the feedback form that is posted on your WhatsApp group. Participants, I would request all the participants to please submit the feedback form. So I hope you might have enjoyed all the sessions, and in case of any trouble during the FDP, please, I beg you pardon from my side and from MNIT Allahabad. So due to sometimes some internet issues or some other issues.
Tiwari, sir.
Yes, sir.
Tiwari, sir, sorry to interrupt you. This session was very nice. All the session, I must say, is very nice. I just keep one request. Can I have the PPT of the session 14, Professor Behra, in today morning?
That I will request Professor Behra to send, but if possible, otherwise YouTube videos are available, sir. You can watch YouTube video. I will request all the experts to send their PPTs if possible. If they will send, I will send it to you. Otherwise, we have downloaded all the videos and we can send it to you, or you can see it on YouTube and the web page of Facebook page of Applied Mechanics.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Just one more thing. Just share this link of Facebook link of this web page.
Sajal?
Yes, sir.
I have already shared the Facebook and YouTube links yesterday, sir. Sajal, please share the.
I will share it again. Sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you for your.
I will try, sir. Sir, I will try my level best to get the PPTs. Otherwise, things are there. Videos are there. Online lectures recorded.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you very much for that.
Thank you so much. Anyone would like to speak or say something about the FDP? Any one of you?
Yes, sir. Hello, sir.
Yes, sir. Just
yes, sir. This is Nazim Ali Khan.
Sir, you please introduce yourself first, then you say something about the FDP. Yes, sir.
So, myself, Nazim Ali Khan from Mewat Engineering College, Haryana.
Right, sir.
Sir, the FDP was really nice, and the session you have arranged was so informative, and that could and that can be help in our research purpose also, sir.
Right.
That was really nice, sir.
Sir, I am Dr. Anil Kumar Gilawat from NIT Calicut. I went through that complete program, and I was happy that the balance was managed. Means it was balanced, that theoretical knowledge and that hands-on and the practicals and that softwares, everything was tried to balance, and it was kept up to the mark. I'm very happy to attend this FDP. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So with your kind permission, I would like to conclude this session and I would like to conclude this FDP with your kind permission. Is it okay?
Sir?
Yes, you would like to say something, sir?
Sir, when our certificate will be uploaded and attendance will be uploaded?
Yes, it will take some time. First, we will upload all the details, attendance, your marks and feedback form tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Then after 10-15 days, AICT will send you the link for the certificate, online link for the certificate.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you all once again.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you.
Sir, can I disconnect now?